forest floor opens the world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound. In the arms of solitude, I am found. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune. Caught in the rhythm, the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves. Stories that linger on the breath of breeze.
I got ice cream, so let's eat this. It's actually summer and it's hot, but the weather is behaving weirdly. Sometimes it rains, like right now it looks like it wants to rain, but it's so hot, trust me. So I'm just eating my favorite chocolate while vlogging. Yeah, I wanted to like go to the metro, to the subway, so, and it's not allowed to eat anything in the subway, so I wanted to like eat this first, then I go to the subway. Wow, it's so good, I swear. guys, so I want to show you what I really got when I was thrifting. So we begin with this. I saw this cute little flower that you just put in your head. It's an actual hair clip. It looks like this. So just for summer vibes, you know. Yeah, so we got this cute thing. I got myself nails, new set of nails. These are the do-it-yourself nails, stick-on. Yeah, I also got perfume. This is the Sol de Janeiro After Hours, the blue one. Doesn't have the number. Usually it has numbers, but this one is just written After Hours. It smells so good. This one I can vouch for it. I've ever used it, so mine ended. I used to like have the caramel one and the blue one. Unfortunately, I am just restocking them since it's summer, and yeah, okay, but it smells so good. Yes, it has like it's not as strong, but it's mild. I think it's mild for me. It's not as strong. It's a good mild. I don't know how to put it. Yeah, the next package I have are this. I also just got another hair clip, a white one. Yeah, basically for this shop, I got white things. This is a white hair clip. This other white one that you put. I don't know if you can actually see it. Yeah, it looks like this. I think you know how this goes with the braids. You just put the back. Yeah, and I also got like the stickers for when you're like writing something in a journal and you want to remember something. Like the sticker strips. I don't know how to call it. I think they're called like that. I don't know. Yeah. Also got earrings. Yeah. So let me see how the earrings look like. Oh, and they have the stoppers. It's coral blue with a touch of gold. Looks like a flower. It's giving flower vibes. I think we should try it on. Looks like this in my ear. Yeah, those are the things I actually got. Ow. Yeah, I got that. Oh, so another thing I also like ordered apart from this is thrifted. Two I like ordered and they just came in. So I was looking for like a phone cover, a girly phone cover, and I was like, why not? I've never like tried a pink cover, and yeah, so we're gonna try this Hello Kitty one. Looks like this. Yeah, basically it's just a simple phone cover. Then we have this. I think I have some scissors. Oh my god, tell me why this is also Hello Kitty. Like I can't remember ordering Hello Kitty. Am I obsessed with Hello Kitty? Okay, this is how do I say the ice thingy for, oh my god, I'm so obsessed. It's for pink, or it's for ice cubes. Yeah, you just put water and your ice cubes will just come with like Hello Kitty thingies. Yeah, so you can put them here and it has like a scoop. Yeah, some cute thing going on. I'm so excited for this. I'm actually putting them now. And I didn't know it's actually for Hello Kitty. And I also have like a Hello Kitty phone case. Like, okay, I see what's going on. Apart from that, I don't have any other. Oh, I remember I had gotten this game. It's a board game, but it's a Chinese board game. I don't know how to play it. It looks like this. They have this Chinese thingy. I see Chinese playing this thing, so I think I'll just find someone to teach me. Yeah, I don't know if my friends know how to play this, but yeah, I don't know what I was ordering. Is it Ludo? I wanted to order Ludo. I don't know how impressed this, but anyway, yeah, that's it for my mini unboxing. Yeah, see you in the next one. Gaya bana. Si live, mbona unashinda usema niko
Unaingia
live?
live.
Siko live, si ukuje uone.
Tap guys. Tap.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day. Whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky. Whispering pines, sing me your tune, caught in the rhythm of the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze. The dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truths as they flow